Welcome to the neighborhood.
Sarah and her family just moved into a new apartment building. Yesterday, Ali met them in the hallway. He welcomed them to the building. Now, Ali would like to invite Sarah for coffee to get to know her better. Let's watch. Hello, are you my new neighbor?
Yes, we just moved in last week.
Welcome to the building. My name is Ali.
Nice to meet you, Ali. I'm Sarah. This is my husband and our children.
Nice to meet you all. If you need anything, please let me know.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
Hi, Sarah. How are you settling in?
Hi, Ali. We're good, thank you.
Are you free tomorrow afternoon?
Yes, I am. Why?
Would you like to come for coffee? We can talk, and I can tell you about the neighborhood.
Yes, I'd like that. Thank you.
How about 4 p.m.?
That's good for me.
Great. I'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Next day. Hello, Sarah. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for inviting me.
You're welcome. I'm happy to have good neighbors. Today you learned how to welcome a new neighbor, invite someone politely, accept an invitation. Let's look at useful sentences. To welcome someone, welcome to the building. If you need anything, let me know. To invite someone, would you like to? To accept, yes, I'd like that. Welcome to the building. Would you like to come for coffee? That's good for me. Try using these sentences in real life. See you in the next lesson.
Please like, share, and subscribe to Zahra English Academy.